Hey guys, what's up? Kumusta kayo? Hopefully you guys are doing good. For today's video, si Bebe, susurprise natin yung mga tita niya galing from California pupunta here sa Florida. So let's see kung anong reaction niya. Hindi niya alam, 1 PM darating sila. So before noon bibili kaming food. Si Bebe kaka-out lang. So pauwi pa lang siya. So let's see. Ano na, Bebe?
Hi!
Hi!
Do you remember me?
Hello, tita! Paano nangyari yun? Tita!
Ano na kami? Kami yung kaluluwa.
Sila yung bisita? Oh, tita!
Ganda na pa ako kita tayo. Uy, iyak na yan.
Sino? Ikaw kinontak nila?
Oh!
Alam mo, kinakabahan ako!
Ma'am, hello po. Sean.
Ayun na, ayaw na pumasok.
Baby, bakit di mo sinabi? Paano na pag hindi
So, surprise niya eh.
Oh, hello. Florida. Anyway, reporting from Sacramento, California. Anyway, this is Belen, and I'm with my husband, Robert.
Say hi!
Yeah. Anyway, I just want to thank you guys for your love and your hospitality. And oh my gosh, the food is so good, especially my ube. And Himalayan, what's that? What's
Maha
that again?
Blanca.
Maha Blanca.
Himalayan
Thank you, Himalayan.
Himalayan salt.
Thank you so much. Love you.
Thank you.
Joy, and it's nice meeting you. All right. Mwah.
You were surprised, weren't you? I know. I'm just so excited to finally be here in Florida. I've been wanting to see you. Anyway, we're here with a great family, as you can see.
Thank you for coming.
My lovely, beautiful sister, my handsome brother-in-law,
Thank you for coming.
and our realtor, our platinum dealership, and my handsome, good-looking. John.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
for the great food.
Yeah.
Diba, yung tsura ko parang ano. Sabi ko, palulukoyin ko yung chan ko, no? Yan,
Pagkain,
food.
everything's so good.
No, that's the one at Costco. It was like 3,500 at Costco.
That's got like that internet in there, huh?
No, what happens? You can even do Bluetooth.
In YouTube.
Yeah,
You know, I was gonna get it at Costco, right?
Apo.
It was like 3,500. So I said,
Remember what we
you know what?
were getting
I'm
down?
gonna buy that refrigerator if it's gonna.
Na-surprise ka ba?
Yes, oo. Yeah, punta kami sa bahay na nabili ni Tita.
Yeah. Sa ano sila?
Punta natin.
Sila. Yeah, punta natin, tingnan natin.
Ang sinurprise nila ako nila. Baho-baho ko kanina. Pati si Mami, kasagwat.
Nakasabot ko yan si Mami. Sabi namin, ano sasabihin natin?
On the way home, we can stop at Home Depot and get
Samahan
your
nyo kami.
fertilizer for
Punta
the
tayo doon.
tomato plant.
Alright, see you guys.
Around at the back. I told
That's
them
so
about
Wow.
we are enjoy Florida.
Enjoy
the hot weather.
Meron, tita?
Pero kung ipapalit sa hirap
Baka gecko, baby.
Ah, gecko. It's gecko. Tita, matakot na po.
Ayun! Ayun!
It's gecko.
because it'll work.
Madam. Congrats.
Florida. Here we come.
Madam. House tour. Oh, wow. Lamig. Wow. Ay, wow. Oh, may ledge.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Nick MC na!
Ay, wow.
Pwede mag-show dito.
Pwede mag-show. May pole. Nasaan yung pole?
Look, oh, they have a stage.
Siguro
Oh, yeah,
ito yung-
mini.
Chairs nila.
It has a projector.
Projector yan. Ano na? Look, they have projector in.
Ah, that's nice.
Wow.
It's a new one. Washer
Yeah.
dryer.
Include na siya, no? And this is the storage?
Yeah.
Storage.
The backyard is really huge.
It's huge. This is there.
Madam, tsaka magkukot? Wow.
Pwede ka mag-taste sa pamba.
Okay, wow, the pantry.
Pantry na. Oh my God! There's two? Swimming pool.
Yeah. Yan, maliit lang kasi, tita. Yeah, ang ganda.
Look, there's two pantries. Tipalan.
320.
Turn on the lights.
Look, there's two pantries.
Yeah.
Maliwalas kami.
And then two.
May maliwalas.
Yeah.
Nandito na yan.
Sa susunod sila naman bibili.
Oh, yun ang sabihin lang sa akin, ha?
Dito na yung platinum ko.
Yes!
Yes, there's a platinum.
Diba?
Dalawa pa yung ano niya, pantry niya.
That's why wala akong makita na ganito na ngayon. Hira.
Bira.
Tapos before we close, they change on.
Oh, that's good.
Bago nga rin yung washer and
All your
dryer.
seasoning, Kenny May.
Iwan ko.
Oh.
Your pants and...
Oh my God, dapat ito.
Pero lahat ng mga ano, ilaw.
There's another loft. Wow, there's another loft.
Oh.
Oh! Ah, pwede maglagay ng towel.
Oh, yes. That's another loft.
Mm.
This is the master.
Oh, and look
Ay, naman na master!
Ano to parang gym?
Oh, yeah, it's huge. No, it's huge.
Wow.
Oh, it's huge.
Wow, may bathtub!
Yeah.
There's two.
One.
His and hers.
Oh, oh, yeah.
So my walk-in closet.
Fucking
Yes.
brilliant.
Hers and hers, not his and
Yes.
hers. Hers and hers.
And hers. And then his.
His.
Laki siya.
Oh, hello! I'm so proud of my sister. She finally got a home where she can invest her money.
Good job,
Yeah, thank you, sister. I'm so proud of you.
Lagi na kayo magpupunta dito nyo, dito.
Yeah, I know. I know, it's so nice to see you, Naku. My beautiful niece.
Thank you, tita. Hi guys, good morning. Napunta kami doon kila Henry sa nephew ni Uncle Bob. Ni-invite na kami for lunch para i-meet sila Tita May and Tita Belen and the Gongs. Yeah, so wala pang tulog to si Louie, si Bebe. Ako naman, nakatulog naman ako. Tara, punta tayo doon. Bisitahin na sila tita. Kasi paalis na rin sila ng Saturday, pabalik ng Sacramento. So, see you. Bye.
See ya.
So welcome to Platinum Cooking Solutions. We're gonna be cooking sinigang today, okay? So we're gonna cook waterless sinigang. So So remember, we did not put water, okay? So let's see if it produces water or juice, okay? 1, 2, 3. Look at these.
Put it on the side.
Look at that. Ayan, nakita mo? Yan, yan, nakita mo yung sabaw?
Oo nga, nagsabaw.
So lahat ng hihigupin mo, galing yan sa
katas
vegetable.
ng ano.
Yes,
Oh.
yan.
Ayan,
Ah,
asim siya.
Diba?
Yeah.
Na sobrang asim ba?
Hindi, okay.
Tama lang? Okay. So,
Wala
may-
pang nilagyan ng mga ano.
wala, ano lang.
Wala na, di
So
ba?
if you want patis,
Guys, walang patis na.
yeah,
Pero
but I
pwede
have
naman.
patis.
Pero di ba
Sarap siya,
nakita mo?
Yeah, pero ngayon, ito yung patis. If you like.
Pwede tikman mo.
We can add patis.
Yes.
Gusto nyo dagdagan ko ng patis? O kayo na lang
Tikman mo.
Saan? So katas ng gulay yan. Yung hinigop mo ngayon.
Tita, ikaw na.
Yes, iba siya.
Hindi, ikaw na.